Hello, future success stories. I'm Stephanie, one of your student support specialists here at Peru State College Online. Today, Megan and I want to share some valuable tips and tricks to ensure you not only navigate, but thrive in your online college journey. First things first, creating a conducive study environment is crucial. Find a quiet, dedicated space free from distractions. Make it your academic sanctuary where you can focus and fully immerse yourself in your studies. Time management is key to success. Develop a schedule that works for you, including dedicated study times, breaks, and any personal commitments. Consistency is your ally in the online learning world. The calendar feature in Canvas is excellent for effectively managing your personal and academic schedules. You can also link this calendar to your Google, iCal, or Outlook calendar too. Stay connected. Even though you're learning online, you're never alone. Engage with your professors, join virtual study groups, and participate in online discussions. Your classmates are a valuable resource to you, and collaboration enhances the learning experience. Effective communication is vital in the online environment. Don't hesitate to ask questions, seek clarification, and actively participate in discussions. Your professors are here to support you, so take advantage of their expertise. Technology is your ally. Be sure to master it. Familiarize yourself with Canvas, utilize digital resources, and stay organized. This will save you time and ensure a smooth learning experience. Self-care is a non-negotiable. Remember to take breaks, exercise, and ensure you get enough rest. A healthy mind and body contribute to better focus and productivity. Lastly, celebrate your achievements, big or small. Complete assignments, acing a quiz, or mastering a challenging concept. Acknowledge your progress. Positive reinforcement fuels motivation and keeps you on the path to success. Remember, you're not just an online student, you're part of the Peru State College Online community. Embrace these tips, stay engaged, and watch yourself soar to new heights. If you ever need support, I'm just an email away. Here's to your success. We believe in you.